Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Riya Kanji. Today I'm going to create this beautiful blue and silver smoky eye makeup look. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. At first, I'm concealing my eyelid with this Wet n Wild concealer and blending it well with the help of a beauty blender. For today's look, I'm using this Revolution Patricia Bright Shadow Palette. At first, I'm taking this Nobu with a flat brush and I'm just marking that area where I want my crease to be. Then I'm taking this backstage with a pointed blending brush and blending it well to soften the edges. After that, I cut my crease with a concealer. Before I start working on my lid, I'm going to clean up the lids using micellar cleansing water. I'm going to take this Q-tip and clean up all the fallouts or concealer so that I can create a clean canvas. And now I'm just applying concealer so that I can get a clean base for the next step. So for the lid, I'm taking this Ocean Dip with a flat brush and just applying the middle of my eyelid and blending the edges. Next, for the inner corner, I'm taking this shimmering and applying it to my inner corner. Then I'm taking Maybelline gel liner and I'm just creating a wing. In this step, you can add any sticky tape or cello tape, whatever you have. But here I'm just doing it directly and smudging it well with a black eyeshadow. For the lower eye, I am applying plum kajal and blending it with Nobu and Backstage. Here I am lining my upper lash line. And then I'm adding a pair of false lashes and a coat of mascara. I'm just using Maybelline the Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara from my upper and lower lashes. Finally, I am applying a little bit of shimmering to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. And that's it. I'm done with today's look. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please let me know your thought by commenting down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also let me know what you would like to see next. You may also follow on my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, links in the description box below. I love you all. Bye guys.